Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, shoe believers, let me get you a little bit of destroyed box action. Let it focus a bit, move it out that light so you guys can actually read it. This shoe reads the Nike Dunk High Retro White, Orange, and Blaze White. I think it's called the Nike Dunk High Syracuse. They just call this one. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. I'm not really a dunk fan, but I've been wearing these lately as well. I don't know who's been wearing this one. I destroyed this box, but I'm going to pack these up as well. So I said before I pack them up, let's get them on here. I think this shoe can still be worn as a dunk high. We're going into the Christmassy season. I know what you guys think about dunks. If you could wear Jordan 1s, you could wear dunks. If I had the choice between Jordan 1s and dunks, I personally would take Jordan 1s. The box is irritating me. Good material. Just orange, Syracuse, mud guard, up to the eyelets. Got the continues over here with normal white leather. Orange Syracuse Nike swoosh. Orange Nike back. Same thing on the back of the shoe. Full breakup. Same thing on this side of the shoe, nothing special. Normal dunk bottom. All in all, a good shoe to me. You guys look what the shoe's gonna look like when it's on your foot. You know what shoes you guys are buying? What shoes you guys want to see on the channel next? Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!